How to make a button that links to another page on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a button that will link to another page within your Wix website. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. You can go ahead and head over the setup or the home page to have the button edit site to open up the site editor. Now within the site editor we are going to find all the elements right there. So what are we going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over here. So basically I am going to add a button where I want, for example, and we're going to add it here. So I'm going to click on add elements. We're going to choose button. So I'm going to choose a themed button. Like that. Double tap on it. Make, for example, let's say here deals or something like that. And we're going to double tap on it again. Link to. Click on link. Head over the left side of screen. Select page, which is going to take us to another page. Choose another page. Let's see, what do we have? Basically, this is going to be a page that we have the main pages, or so for example I choose not the search result but product page. Let's pretend that it is going to be like that. So we can choose a product, for example, one item from this page, and boom, this is going to be linking to another page. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.